Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering up both the Switch and your PC. Plug in a USB-C cable to charge if needed. Once charged, enable Bluetooth on your computer. Next, put each Joy-Con into pairing mode by holding the small sync button until lights flash. Connect one controller at a time. Make sure Windows shows a successful pairing. Once done, assign left/right correctly in controller settings so inputs map properly when Epic Games detects the device. Once paired, open the Epic Games launcher and go straight to settings. You must enable controller support so the launcher and games accept input. Turn on X input emulation if Epic does not natively read Joy-Con. If a game still ignores inputs, use Steam as a middleman. Add the Epic game to Steam, enable Steam input for the shortcut, and map Joy-Con buttons there. This makes the controller appear as an Xbox pad, simplifying bindings and reduce. Now test your controller in-game and calibrate analog sticks and dead zones so movement feels natural. If a button fails, repair the Joy-Con and confirm Windows lists it as connected. Make sure the game's controller profile is set to the emulated Xbox pad. Adjust key mappings if actions aren't matching. If problems persist, update controller firmware and restart the PC and Epic launcher. One key tip: toggling Bluetooth off and on often clears phantom connections and resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.